Gnocchi, get up and build a fence? Yeah? Yeah. Good boy. Come. Welcome to episode 4. In this episode we do a test run of building a wooden picket fence for the yard, and I'll be working on this back corner area of the property. What's there is a bit of a hodgepodge of old metal and wooden fencing. The area is also kind of difficult to work with since we have exposed and buried concrete slabs, and the old wooden posts, some are set in concrete and some are not. It's also next to this big maple tree with a large root system, so it's not going to be easy. Anyway, the first step is to take out the old metal fence and the old wooden fence posts, but keep the metal posts standing. You'll see why in a moment.
Someone now stuck. Someone on doggy lead jail.
Yeah, he's kind of aware that there's a fence here.
Yeah, sure.
But I don't know how long it's gonna last for.
Good thing he's
Bored? Yeah. Very bored.
I managed to get one wooden post with the concrete footing out in the corner, but battled this one for quite a while before calling it quits and just cutting it and filling it in the area with dirt. Where's Gnocchi? Hey, buddy. He's taking a nap while I work. Good boy. So my DIY idea was to use the metal posts we have standing and install treated lumber around them to create a wooden post. The metal posts are very sturdy and they're not going anywhere. So I attach one piece of treated lumber with zinc coated straps to the metal posts. Then I screw in the other pieces together. The tree root system made this area impossible to dig and set posts in concrete. Instead, I've used these long metal spike fence posts and hammered them into the ground. The challenge with these is making sure that everything remains in line and plumb as much as you can as you go.
You segment into the ground, or did you just bolt into that foundation?
No, these are just sitting on the metal. They're just gonna literally sitting on these.
Are you
metal
tied up with
posts.
an extension cord, Gnocchi?
No.
Oh, it's his lead. It looks so much like an extension cord.
No, and then the other ones are smashed into the ground. You might have seen them. They're like a metal bit at the bottom, and then there's a long tip.
Yeah.
I don't know how well they work, but in this area, it's the only option. If you want to keep like a straight line. So we'll see how they work.
Gnocchi wants to say hi to you. Come here. Come say hi to him. He's your boyfriend. Come say hi. Come say hello. There he is. There he is.
With the posts done, I position, cut and screw the rails. I do this with screws in part because I'm not sure how well my system of whittle posts will work, and I'd prefer to be able to detach everything and reinstall if this fails at a later date. And installing the pickets is quite meditative. After having finished the pickets, Karen, my wife, came home and asked me why I put the rails at different heights on the two sides. I honestly didn't have a good answer. I was hoping that it would look good, that the rail would line up well with the gate. I had already built. But no, she was right. So I quickly redid the rails and pickets, knowing all too well that in the future I'll have to redo the gate as well. Oh well. And then there was just finishing touches. Cutting the post to length, adding post caps, and just cleaning up. The fence turned out quite sturdy to date, and it keeps this guy where we want him. I've got a few kitchen renovation and building videos coming up, so please look out for those, and thank you again for watching.